Good morning, students. We are taking the problems on the derivative, that is differentiation. See, first problem is y equal to differentiate with respect to x. First problem is y is equal to x raised to 4 minus 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. See, we know the addition rule of derivative, that is if y is equal to u plus v, then dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. This is the addition rule of derivative. We have given y is equal to x raised to 4 minus 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y is a derivative, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x raised to 4 minus 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. See, here addition and subtraction both are simultaneously. Separate the derivative by using the addition rule, that is d by dx of x raised to 4 minus d by dx of 2 sin x plus d by dx of 3 cos x. Again we have learned, if constant is there, then take the constant out of derivative, that is d by dx of x raised to 4 minus constant is 2 is out, 2 into d by dx of sin x plus 3 outside the bracket d by dx of cos x. Now use the rule of derivative. We know the x raised to n, that's the derivative n into x raised to n minus 1. By using that rule, the value of n is 4, that is 4 into x raised to 4 minus 1 minus 2 is constant, into derivative of sin x is cos x plus 3 into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Once you are finding the derivative, then don't write d by dx. It is equal to 4 x raised to 3 minus 2 cos x plus into minus 3 sin x. This is your answer, or derivative dy by dx. Okay, take next problem. Y is equal to, second problem is y is equal to 2 x raised to 9 upon 3 minus 5 upon 7 x raised to 7 plus 6x cube minus x. Find dy by dx at x is equal to 1. dy by dx at x equal to 1. First of all, we have to find dy by dx. Y is equal to this. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 2x raised to 9 upon 3 minus 5 upon 7 x raised to 7 plus 6x cube minus x. That is, separate the terms d by dx of 2 upon 3 x raised to 9 minus d by dx of 5 upon 7 x raised to 7 plus d by dx of 6x cube minus d by dx of x. It is equal to, if constant is there, take it is out the derivative. 2 upon 3 is constant, d by dx of x raised to 9 minus 5 upon 7 is constant, d by dx of x raised to 7 plus 6 constant, d by dx of x cube minus d by dx of x. Okay, now use the derivative rule. 2 upon 3, the derivative of x raised to 9 is 9 into x raised to 8. Now I am writing directly, that is the value of n is equal to 9 and the value of n म्हणजे 9 into x raised to 9 minus 1, that is 8, minus 5 upon 7 x raised to 7, its derivative is 7, x raised to 7 minus 1, that is 6, plus 6 into x raised to 3 minus 2, that is 2, minus derivative of x is 1. It is equal to 2 upon 3, divide this 9 by 3, that is 6 x raised to 8 minus 7 7 cancel, 5 x raised to 6 plus 6x square minus 1. This is the value of dy by dx. Now we have to find derivative at x raised to 1. Now take dy by dx at x is equal to 1 is equal to, now put the value of x in a 1, that is 6 into 1 raised to 8 minus 5 into 1 raised to 6 plus 6 into 1 square minus 1, which is equal to 6 minus 5 plus 6 minus 1. 6 minus 5, that is 1, plus 6 minus 1, it is equal to 6. Therefore dy by dx at x is equal to 1 is equal to 6. In this way we have to find the particular value of a derivative. If we find this value, then it is called as a particular value of a derivative at x is equal to 1. Now third example, y is equal to x raised to 4 x cube upon 3 plus x square upon 2 plus x. Differentiate with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x raised to 4 plus x cube upon 3 plus x square upon 2 plus x. Again separate the derivative, that is d by dx of x raised to 4 plus d by dx of x cube upon 3 plus d by dx of x upon 2 plus d by dx of x. It is equal to d by dx of x raised to 4 plus 1 upon 3 is constant, d by dx of x cube plus 1 upon 2 constant, d by dx of x square plus d by dx of x. Now find the derivative by rule. X raised to 4, its derivative is 4 x cube plus 1 upon 3. The derivative of x cube is 3x square plus 1 upon 2 into derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of x is 1, which is equal to this 3 cancel, 2 cancel, 4x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. This is the answer of dy by dx. If you have to find the particular solution at x equal to 1, you can put x equal to 1. If you have to find particular solution at x equal to 2, you can put x is equal to 2. Now first thing is why we are using the derivative, why we are learning the derivative. Now application of derivative is if we have given distance, if you have given distance, then find the first derivative of distance with respect to t, d by dt of distance. If the first derivative of distance you find, then it is called as a velocity. You get the answer velocity. If you find the derivative of velocity, then you get the acceleration. d by dt of velocity, then you get the acceleration. This is the application of a derivative, first application of derivative. In this way we can find many applications using derivative, but this is first application. Distance is given in terms of t. Why t? Because distance upon time is equal to velocity, and velocity upon time is equal to acceleration. We say that rate of change of distance with respect to time, that is derivative of distance with respect to time, is called as a velocity. Rate of change of velocity with respect to time, that is derivative of velocity with respect to time t, is called as a acceleration. Next period we will take the examples depends on velocity and acceleration. Okay.